Hello everyone, welcome to this my IT service. Once again, this is a review after fixing the iPad. This is review case number 992. This is iPad 9th generation. So the problem was with the screen is flickering when we use the iPad. So something's happened, something is wrong with the backlight socket. So that's why we need to replace the entire screen. And this is with the new screen. It's no longer flickering. So I'll let you know if you have the iPad or a MacBook. Feel free to contact us at the Smart Service if you have the problem. So thank you for this video. See you next video. Bye bye.